Energy of orbitals. First we are discussing about the atoms like hydrogen and hydrogen-like species. Here the energy of the orbitals depends upon the principal quantum number n. Okay, and the order of energy. The energy of orbitals are in the order 1s is less than 2s and 2p, then 3s, 3p, 3d. Here 2s, 2p is having the same energy. This means that orbitals degenerate. Means the energy of these orbitals are same. Then 3s, 3p, 3d. These orbitals degenerate. That means these orbitals are having same energy. Okay. So this is the order for hydrogen atom and hydrogen like species, and this gives the energy level diagram of hydrogen atom. Okay. This contains only one electron in the atom. Okay. So hydrogen atom contains only one electron. So if the electron is very close to the nucleus, the attractive force increases. So the compound will be stable and energy is less. So if electron is in the 1s orbital, it is in the highly stable state and energy is less. As it moves to the excited states like 2s 2p or 3s 3p 3d, then the energy order increases. So energy will be increases as the electron moves to the higher level. This is in the case of a hydrogen atom and hydrogen like species. In the case of multi-electron atom, the energy of orbitals depends upon both principal quantum number n and azimuthal quantum number l. Okay, that is, if orbitals with same quantum number possess different energies for different azimuthal quantum number. Okay, so from this is the energy level diagram of multi-electron atom. Here the 2s and 2p, these subshells are having different energies. Even though they have the same quantum number, n is equal to 2, okay, here n is equal to 2, but S is having lower energy than P, then D, etc. Okay, so here the different subshells of same quantum number is having different energies. Okay, now we are discussing the different factors which determine the energy of orbitals in the case of multi-electron atom. Let us discuss one by one. First point, in multi-electron atoms, more electrons are present. So along with the attractive force between the nucleus and the electron, there are repulsive forces also between the electrons. Okay. So there will be attractive forces between nucleus and electrons, and repulsive forces between electrons. So these two forces determine the stability or the energy of these atomic orbitals. Okay. So as the attractive forces are more than the repulsive forces, then that atomic orbital is having less energy or it is more stable. Okay. Now in multi-electron atoms, there are inner electrons are present. Okay. There are inner electrons. Electrons in the inner shell, that is inner shell electrons are present, which shields the outermost electrons from the nucleus. It shields the outermost electron from the nucleus. Okay. So this effect is called as shielding effect. Okay. So as the shielding effect increases, that means the net positive charge or the nuclear charge decreases. Okay, because the attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electron decreases. Okay, so due to shielding effect, the net nuclear charge decreases, which is called as nuclear charge, net nuclear charge, or we can say that effective nuclear charge, Z effective, decreases. So Z effective will be less than Z actual. Okay. This is due to the shielding effect. But in the case of a period, what will happen? From left to right, size of the atom decreases. That means if more electrons are added in the same shell, that means the nuclear attraction increases. That is why the size decreases. Okay, so as the atomic number increases, despite of this shielding effect, there is greater nuclear charge. Okay, so nuclear charge increases as the atomic number increases because the nuclear attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electron increases. So as the atomic number increases, nuclear charge increases. So what will happen? Orbital energy decreases or atom is stable. Orbital energy decreases. So we can see the atomic number increases, the orbital energy decreases or atom become more stable. Okay, this is the first point. As azimuthal quantum number L increases, the energy of orbital increases. Okay, energy of orbitals increases. Okay, that is S is having least energy, then P, then D, etc. Okay, so if L is equal to 0 means S orbital, okay, which is having less energy and so on. This is due to the reason that in the case of S orbital, it is symmetric. Okay, S orbital is symmetric in shape. That means electrons are very close to the nucleus. So nuclear attraction or attractive force is more. So in such cases what will happen? The atom is more stable and less energy. Okay. But if we consider p orbital, which is having dumbbell shape, okay, so electron are farther away from the nucleus, so such orbitals electron is having less stable compared to s orbital and having more energy. Okay, so this will be the order of different subshells. The energy of orbitals of different subshells are in this order. Okay, that is why as L increases, the energy of orbital increases. So according to all these factors, we can see that there is a new rule called N plus L rule. N plus L rule. According to this rule, the electrons are the energy order of different orbitals are arranged. The energies of different orbitals are arranged according to this N plus rule order. So we can write the rule says that if N plus L value is less or lower, which is having lower value, the energy is lower. Okay, energy is lower. So first case. Now if N plus L value is same for two different orbitals, what will happen? If N plus L value is same, in such cases we have to consider the value, the principal quantum number. The orbital with lower value of n will have lower energy. Okay, will have lower energy. This is the N plus rule. So according to this N plus rule, the energy of the different orbitals are arranged. The order of the increasing order of different orbitals will be according to N plus rule. N plus L rule. That is, If n plus L value is lower means energy is lower. If n plus L value is same for the orbitals with lower n value will have lower energy. Okay. Next case is if electrons are arranged in same subshells, what will happen? If electrons present in same subshell, okay, in such a case, the energy decreases as atomic number increases. Energy decreases as atomic number increases. Let us take one example. Energy of 2s orbital of hydrogen atom, which is more than energy of 2s orbital of lithium, which is more than energy of 2s orbital of sodium, and so on. This is because in this case we can see that as the atomic number increases, nuclear attraction increases. So if the electrons are arranged in the same orbital, the energy decreases. As the nuclear attraction increases, energy decreases or stability increases. So this will be the order if the electrons present in the same shell, okay, same shell, as the atomic number increases. Okay.